Now, in this lesson, we are going to talk about Texture Pabrika's Node Builder utility, which are the tools that you can find in this section over here. Now, the Node Builder utility simplifies the process of creating node groups with properties that can be stacked on top of each other. When you think about it, this is actually how a lot of services in the real world arrive at a certain look, things accumulating one on top of the other. This is what we will try to replicate using the Node Builder utility. Now, all functionalities are made by nodes already existing within Blender, so if you have a workflow that you're comfortable in, or if you have an existing material library, you can use that in conjunction with Texture Pabrika. The only thing that you need to know is that this exporter utility, which is the one down here, is designed to work with one specific node group, Texture Pabrika's shader node group. Without this node group, the exporter utility might not be as useful. Now notice that the node builder is currently locked, and it has a warning. Clicking on Initialize tells Texture Pabrika to build node groups using the properties that we have enabled. Generally, it would be a good idea to avoid having to reinitialize in the middle of a project, but in case you need to, it's not really going to be a big problem. You'll just have to reconnect a few things, which I'll show you later on. For now, since we haven't started, we don't have to worry about anything and we can go ahead and click Initialize. Now we are given access to all the node builder functionalities. In the next lesson, we will create the basic Texture Pabrika setup for our lantern material.